Hey besties, in today's video, I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for my second paycheck in the month of November. So if that is something that you're here for, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasurers, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And if you are interested in this type of content, I really encourage that you do subscribe to the channel. And if you are returning bestie, hey girl, hey, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you can, just stop what you're doing and hit the like button. I know you haven't watched the video yet, so you really don't know if you like it yet, but just trust me and give this video a thumbs up. I'm really trying to get my likes up. So just don't forget, if you do like anything in the video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. So I am going to be stuffing, as I stated, $504 for this particular paycheck. And I have my cash here. I have my wallet from So Crafty Sanaa, and I'll have this link down below if that's something that you're interested in. And I have my cash tray that I'm going to be using. I will have all of the products linked down below that I'm using. So if you're interested in anything, please check the links down below. I do have a dedicated video where I do talk about everything that I am using, and I have the links for that. So like I said, I'm going to be stuffing my paycheck, the money that I got in my second paycheck in November, and this is the budget. So if you haven't checked out the budget, actually, I encourage that you do so. Check that video out so you know how I did budget for that. This is the cash breakdown sheet. I'm just gonna have this off to the side right here, so I have it for my reference. And this is my cash tray. I'm gonna go ahead and count the money to make sure it's all here. Since I did get the money out of the ATM, I had to move fast because some of these people are crazy in the world and they like to rob people. So I hurried up and put the cash in my wallet and kept it pushing. So let's go ahead and count. First, I need to get all my money facing the same way. I don't like counting my money when it's not all facing the same way. I don't know if I'm the only person that's like that. All right, so 505 is what I calculated here. I'm gonna go ahead and separate the money out. So here's the thing. So I was supposed to have some 10s, as you can see here. I was supposed to have some 50s, some 10s, and some 1s, but because I had to go to the ATM did not issue out 50s. So hopefully I'm able to stuff everything, but we will see. All right, so first we're gonna start with my daily envelopes. And we're gonna start with groceries. So groceries is gonna get $150. So it's gonna get 5 20s. And then it's supposed to get a 50, but it's gonna have to get 2 20s and 2 5s. And then I have $1 left, and I'm just gonna add this $1 with this. So we got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 50, 51. So $151 in groceries. This is gonna last me for the next 2 weeks. Eating out, didn't get any money, knowing I needed some money for that, because your girl has been definitely eating out. Household is going to get $40, so it's going to be 2 20s. So we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 in household. I need to get some washing detergent and some cleaning products and some toilet paper and paper towels and all that good stuff. Toiletries is going to be getting $40 as well. Let's see, and I had some money left over that I'm just gonna add here. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, $90. This is to get some soap and just kind of re-up on all that stuff. And that is it for my daily envelopes. Next up is my sinking funds. And some, sinking funds basically. So the first thing is going to be car registration. That's going to get $19. So because I had to add an extra $1, this is going to get, car registration is actually only $15. And let me find the car registration. Here we go. Let's count what we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. This is for my car registration. Next year it will be due in September. Next up is Costco. Costco is going to get $5. Where is my Costco? Here we go. Costco will be due in March, I think. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and I think my Costco renewal is like $60. And then next up is AAA, and that's gonna get $15. So AAA is supposed to get a 10 and a 5, but it's gonna get 3 5s for AAA. I do have AAA for myself and my daughter. So total is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, $75 in AAA. And then car wash is going to get $5. It's gonna be time to get my car washed soon. Trying to really keep up with that. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Because I will go forever without a car wash, but I'm trying not to do that. And then next is medical. Medical is gonna get $5. And I wonder if medical is in my other. Yeah, I think medical is in my other. So we're gonna skip medical really quick. Debt is gonna get $145. So that's gonna be 100, 2 20s, and a 5. This is for my debt snowball payment that will happen at the end of this month. So make sure you guys stay tuned. That video will be coming out. If you haven't caught those videos, definitely check out the playlist where you can catch up on how I am paying off my debt, especially if you're looking to pay off debt in 2024. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So this is $290 that I will be snowballing into the next payment. And then emergency is going to get $80. And this is my emergency savings. I have a placeholder of $1,000 right here. I know it looks janky. Sorry. 20, 40, 60, 80. But I am so happy to be able to keep adding to this. Hopefully I'll be at 2,000 soon in an emergency fund. So this is 1, 2, actually I'm gonna take this out. This is 1,000, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So $1,280 I have total for my emergency savings. And that is it there. So this wallet here, or binder rather, is where I think my medical is. Yes. So I'm going to add $5 here for my medical. Right? Yeah, $5 for my medical. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Now I have $5 left. Don't know where that's supposed to go, because I think I have $505, so something didn't get $5. Groceries got $150, toiletries $40, car registration. Car registration was supposed to get 20. I think I said 15. Yeah, let me look back in car registration, because I think I said 15, but it was actually supposed to get 20. Let's see. Oh, and it makes, I don't have a card in here. That would have made it so much easier. Well, I'm going to add it here. I'm sure this is where it's supposed to go. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. If not, that's where it's going. That is where it is going, Pooh. Okay. If you have made it this far in the video, then I would like for you to enter a muscle in the comments. I think it's like, I don't know what it's called, but like, you're strong, like a strong muscle in the comments. Here's a picture right here. So make sure that you put this in the comments. If you made it this far, put the muscle emoji in the comments. So I am done. This was not like a huge cash stuffing because the money was running a little low. And I talk about that in the actual budget. So if you want to know how to budget, how do I figure out how much money is going to go into the cash envelopes, definitely check out the budget, because that will be where I will explain this whole process, if I'm able to contribute to the cash envelopes or not. Well, besties, that is it for this episode. This is episode 4 of A Daily Dose with Budget Treasures. We have one more episode to go. So please make sure that you watch the entire playlist if you haven't. But until next time, I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.